How to check Emirates airline ticket confirmations. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Emirates and then move into the official site of Emirates. Well, you don't have to log in or sign into your account. All you want to do is over here click on Manage Booking or Check-in. Once you click on it, this interface will appear. All you want to do is enter the last name that you have entered on your ticket. After that, you have to enter the booking reference. Once you have entered, click on Check-in. Wait for a while for it to process. You will be landing on this interface. What you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see the option where it says flight. So you can see this is your airline's ticket confirmation. You can see all the details informations. So this is the end of the video and this was a tutorial video on how to check Emirates airline ticket online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.